Hi everyone, this is my RV power cord receptacle box, and as you can see the lid is gone. It's very weather beaten, and so I'm going to replace it today with my new one, and it looks like it's going to be an exact fit. You do need to measure when you order this that the width from here to here. This one is 5 inches wide, and so is this one, so I'm expecting this to go directly in a spot. Very easy to change. So it just takes 3 screws, and those are Phillips screws on our camper. Take those out. Then I'm going to ease off the old box here. It's not really a box, but that's what I'm calling it, and just remove the power cord just like that. So, and see how worn that one is. Now I'm just going to go ahead and peel off the weather sealant, and I'm going to double check, make sure we're all good here. And this one, you can see it snaps in very nicely. And it also has the power cord door. So when you're using the power cord and you don't want any weather in, you just put the cord through here and then just tighten that down a little bit onto the cord, and no bugs can get in, or very few bugs. So we'll go ahead and just slip that in. Kind of tight, which is good. There we go. And I need to do a little work on my power cord one of these days here too. So there we go. We'll just fit that in, and it is exact fit. Same screw holes, everything. So when we're done, we'll just push that back in there, and we'll clip down the lid. So I'll go ahead and get this in. I'm going to go ahead and put some caulking around here to weatherproof it to keep the rain out. I'll do that, and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, there we are. And it went in just as easy as it came out. Got the little door here. Got the little nice little snap tabs on it. So when I pull out my cord, just bring that back down, and then just push the little door down. And when I'm done, they're very tight, which is nice because my other one was not this tight. Push that in, and there we go, and that is it. The construction of the plastic seems to be very good. I do like the little snap tabs that keep it in place once it's shut instead of just flopping around in the wind. And that way I know when we're going down the road, my cord's not going to come out and just keep snaking out until I don't have a cord anymore. So very nice quality, and I like that it was a direct replacement of the one that I had. Hope this helps you on your decision on an RV cord box on the exterior of your RV.